I'm just going to create an app which is going to change your life. From the day we born into this world, we're doing a lot of things, and sometimes it is repetitive, and we became autopilot on doing those things, which is really good, and that's where practice makes perfect comes into play. But if you're doing something bad which affects our productivity, then yeah, it's really bad for us. Let me show you some example and open your eyes. So I've been killing the app when I really feel bored, and within a span of 2 seconds I just open the same app with no idea. So this has been happening for a long time, and then when I came to know that I've been doing it on like unconsciously. So I really want to break this. And so while editing, I don't feel like you guys will get what I'm trying to tell, so I want you guys to do something. So just open the app. I'm guaranteed that the most used app will be in the home screen. I want you guys to replace the most used app with some other thing, okay? Unlock it, and when you unlock it, I guarantee that you will open the different app in the same position unconsciously. This is what happening for a lot of people. I've been asking my friends, they say the same thing, and that is what I'm trying to explain, and that is what I'm trying to solve it, and you can see the rest of the video. And for this, I'm going to create an app. So modern problem requires modern solution. So I'm just going to create an app where I'm just going to replace the position of the app that I'm really going crazy with the app that I'm going to make it. And whenever I open the app, I'm just going to record the events, and for the last, if I didn't open the app for the last 24 hours, I'm going to show you a notification saying you have successfully broke the autopilot. So this is what the whole thing. So let's get started. The wireframe is ready, and I'm not going to create any designs. I'm just going to straight away implement in the code. Implementation part is like whenever user opens the app, update the timestamp in the database. Table is present. If not, create the database timestamp. Writing part is done. I have to read the data. Planning to plot a chart, like there will be a hour in the bottom, like 0 to 24, and it will be the count for first hour, how many times the user been open the app. But but the writing part is like I'm just updating the timestamp, that's it. So but in the chart I have to do the calculation to show the data for first hour, second hour, where how many times the user have opened the apps, and finally I will plot the graph.
Woke up really discombobulated in the middle of the night. Was it all some sort of bad dream? That's when I seen it in the sky.
Hey there, this is day 2, and I think I'm almost done with the coding part, and I will show you something over here. This is like the date and the timestamp on when the user opened the app. So I tested it, like I'm just checking the current day's data alone, because there will be a lot of data, and if I try to take out the date, it is unnecessary thing. So I've tested it by changing the date in the phone, and it's working. I'm getting only the current day's timestamp. I have to make the timestamps like on a hourly basis, and
Hit the constructs of my eye. What a scene, what a sight.
the hourly separation is done, and yeah, I will show you. So you can see I have logged those things. So this is like 18 3 counts, 19 17 counts. Now we have separated the timestamp on the hourly based, and final thing is that I have to plot the chart, and we're good to go. Wow. capture data being plotted, but I'm not considering the zero values that, like, for example, if the user not opening the app for some hours, I'm not considering it. So that's a kind of a bug. I have to going to fix it. I'm going to show it right now to you guys. Yeah, now it's done. So you can able to see the graph, like in bottom there is like for 24 hours. Here you can see the number of accounts. For example, where you opening the app a lot of times in some certain hours, you will see a spike in the chart. So the app is finally done. I'm going to like clean it properly and add some icon and will publish in the Play Store. I did it. I'm very happy about this. Just one thing, please do it. Please go and download the app, show some love. Take care. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye from your friend Sam. You will.